Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Podcast Official, where you learn to speak English naturally, confidently, and without pressure.
Today's episode is special. It's not just listening, it's not just learning. Today, you're gonna speak.
Let me ask you something honestly. Do you listen to English every day, but rarely speak?
If yes, you're not alone. Many learners consume English. Very few actually use it.
And here's the truth. Listening improves understanding, but speaking builds confidence, and confidence is what changes everything.
So today, we're doing shadowing practice. But what exactly is shadowing?
Shadowing means this. You listen, then you repeat. Immediately. You copy the sound, the rhythm, the stress, the flow.
It's not about grammar. It's not about perfection. It's about training your mouth and brain to work together.
When you shadow regularly, you speak faster, you hesitate less, you feel more natural, you stop overthinking.
Before we begin, we need one promise. Don't stay silent.
Even if it feels strange, even if your voice shakes, even if you make mistakes, speak out loud.
Because silent practice builds knowledge, but loud practice builds fluency.
Today, we'll practice 30 simple but powerful sentences. Each sentence is designed to build confidence, improve pronunciation, strengthen mindset, reduce fear.
Here's how it works. 1. Listen carefully. 2. Pause. 3. Repeat clearly. 4. Speak slowly.
Ready? Sentence 1. I am learning English. Again. I am learning English. I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I understand more each day.
I feel proud of my progress.
I enjoy learning English.
I listen carefully.
I speak slowly and clearly.
I try every day.
I believe in myself.
I trust my journey, even if it's slow.
Notice something. These sentences are simple but powerful.
You are not just practicing pronunciation. You are programming confidence.
Now we increase slightly. Speak clearly.
My effort today creates my fluency tomorrow.
I am not giving up. I am growing.
My journey is beautiful, even if it's slow.
I speak English to express, not to be perfect.
I'm building my confidence one word at a time.
I am getting better with every practice.
I can understand more than I think.
Speaking out loud helps me improve faster.
I show up even when it feels hard.
Every mistake helps me learn something new.
If you're still speaking with us, you are doing something most learners avoid.
And that already makes you different.
Now, final set. Stay calm, stay steady.
Every day, I am becoming more confident in English.
Speaking English clearly is something I can do.
I am proud of my progress, even if it's small.
English is not hard. It's just new.
I learn something new every time I try.
I'm building strong English habits today.
My English gets better with every word I say.
Even small practice makes a big difference.
I am patient with myself and my progress.
This is just the beginning of my English success.
Take a breath. You just spoke 30 full sentences in English out loud.
That's not small. That's real practice.
Shadowing works because repetition builds neural pathways.
When you repeat sentences, your brain remembers patterns, your mouth remembers movement, your confidence remembers success.
Do this for 5 minutes a day, not 1 hour once a week.
Consistency beats intensity. Always.
If you ever feel stuck, come back to this episode. Repeat again.
Fluency is not a talent, it's a repetition.
Learn, listen, speak, flow in English.
We will see you in next episode.